You are for constitutional reform,
Yes.
di ba?
Oho.
Anong papalitan nyo doon?
Lahat halos. Hindi kailangan palitan lahat. Like the Bill of Rights. Bill of Rights, maganda ang Bill of Rights natin, patatagin natin.
Sabi mo, papalitan mo lahat ang konstitusyon, right?
What I mean to say is a revision.
A revision.
Meaning to say na kung mayroong magagandang provision, ay panatilihin natin. Katulad ng Bill of Rights, kailangan hindi mapalitan.
Nung nasa Kongreso ka, you went for the constitutional change, di ba?
CONAS, 2 beses.
CONAS.
2 beses.
Okay. So,
Concord and CONAS, 2 beses.
Okay, not Constituent Assembly.
Constituent Assembly.
You're also for Constituent
No,
Assembly?
not anymore now because I've been there, done that, and I know it will not work.
Okay.
Ang proposal ko, after the 2010 elections, State of the Nation address, magkausap ng Kongreso, magpanday ng Constitutional Convention law for election. Dahil sa panahon na nagkaroon ng martial law, ang focus, ang tutok to disband all vestiges of martial law.
Marcos.
Ang nakalimutan lamang tumingin sa kinabukasan. It is not a forward-looking constitution.
Okay.
So right now, we are bogged down by...
It's a reactionary constitution.
Exactly.